Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Travel Food Business Lifestyle Technology. Today we are going to unbox both headset. So let's go and check the video. So unboxing both headsets. Yeah. Here it is, both Immortal 1300. Let's unbox this and we will talk about its features. So it comes with a dual correction mode and 2.4 gigahertz low ultra low latency, and Bluetooth version is 5.1. So talking about its features, so playback on Bluetooth mode is 14 hours and dongle mode is 11 hours. So you can play music for if you're playing in Bluetooth mode, it's for 14 hours for one charge, and in dongle mode it is on 11 charges, and it has two mic. Dual mics, detachable primary and passive secondary, and dual audio EQ, wireless 3D both signature mode, and also three color breathing LEDs, and premium earmuffs and headband, and designed for extended gaming and adjustable ear caps, and dedicated dongle slots which comes here. So let's go and unbox it. So let's open the box. So they have given the headset inside a cover. It's black and red combination. So let's remove the cover. So removing it slowly. So here is the headset. So it has a cushion inside, and look at this boat written, and it's wonderful. And here we can extendable, we can extend it. Yes, here is the slot to extend it, and it's a Bluetooth headset. So what else additional they're given a manual to operate the Bluetooth headset. Let's keep it aside. And they have given the visiting card, and they have given charger, USB type charger. So mic we have to attach, and there is a space for mic attachment. So guys, after unboxing, so there is a power button, and also uh, here is a button for volume plus and minus, and also mute button is also available, and a charging slot, and a space for separate microphone, so you can even remove it and use it whenever you need a microphone to record. So here is the space, and so here is the dongle dedicated slot, and its inner cushion is wonderful, and also it's soft, and here we can extend it. So here also there is a cushion type, so that it is very it looks soft and very nice to handle. So that's it. So device turn on, and there is no aux for this. This is a headphone for gaming laptop. So it is through boat, and it is wonderful. There is a dual light coming on the dedicated dongle slots. Yeah, it's compactable and wonderful. I got around 2,500 around that. So this is wonderful for me. Support that. I'll put the link in the description. If you like this video, hit a thumbs up button and share with your friends. And for more updates, subscribe to my channel. See you all in another interesting episode of Travel, Food, Business, Lifestyle, Technology. Until then, it's Vignesh Pillai signing off here. Love you all. Cheers and bye.
If you like this video, hit thumbs up button, and for more updates subscribe.